Okay, out of the house on this beautiful Tuesday morning, and you're gonna notice all the landscaping's done. Got all the grass in, got all the rock in. Just gonna kind of pan here and walk on up to the front. I am gonna try and stay off the grass. I was gonna try and walk on it, but it's still very soggy. Go around from the front. And over to the right there. And then we'll head inside. Some exciting changes inside you're gonna notice. You do have flooring! Not only has it arrived, but they installed it that fast. Okay, so we'll walk around here. Looking out onto the back patio here. They finished that up with the rock. That's nice. Like that, coming on in here. We got the new toilet installed, along with the pedestal sink. Finally. Coming back into the front room here, we'll do a slow pan. I mean, it's gonna be hard to see the final flooring just because they've got the protective barrier down over it. But it is totally down. Obviously they still have a little bit more work to go. I was just seeing if I missed the lighting fixture in the closet, and I didn't. I thought I saw something new. This is probably the biggest piece of flooring that you're gonna see completed. Coming on in here.
No, that's here. What's up?
Oh, nothing. I'm just filming a catch-up video here. Now the floorings and everything seems to be happening real fast.
Are you the homeowner?
No, I'm their agent. I just film a video for them every week.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so they live out of state, so they've been anxious, but we've been waiting on the floor for 2 weeks.
Oh, I got you.
So, well, actually longer than 2 weeks. I'm sorry, 6 weeks. It was back ordered twice. So he's installing your new toilet down there, which means the ones upstairs have probably been finished as well. Let's go look at that. See if there's anything. Side note, there's my dog being super ferocious. Barking at that poor guy as he throws garbage away. 2 weeks? No, that's just since the last time we got everything figured out. Okay. Looks like they've got the new towel racks. That's what those are, installed. Really like that. Obviously, here's putting your new toilet. Oh, cool. I think this is the one you were hoping for here, Jack. Yeah, that looks brand new. I think that was the new, smaller, skinnier one that you guys were wanting. Other than that, in the rest of these rooms here, same thing. We're just waiting on minor touch-ups. So I'll come back to film that here in the next week. But no, the flooring's totally in. Flooring's in, and they're starting to make the real final touches, so it shouldn't be long now. Let's walk out in the backyard though and look at the landscaping. That's just a really, really nice color. Looks really good. Can't believe how fast they did that either. I don't know when they got it in, but it just seems like it happened overnight basically. Okay. Walking out in the backyard here. You got the side of the house rocked. They've already got a trash can and a recycling bin here. That's nice. I'm gonna guess that's your irrigation right there. I love how they've done the rock along the outside of the fence. It's so awesome. You can kill weeds so much easier that way. I really do like that. It's like a little maze back here. It's got the extra gate. Leads into the rocked patio. And you've got the extra strip of grass right here. Goes up and around. Yeah, this was really cool. This extra wooden fence part that you guys built right here, I really like that. Alright. Well, it won't be long now till I get the rest of this finished, so stay tuned for next week.